Hi guys, how are you? Teacher Mario here. Before today's lesson, please check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv where I share grammar notes, exercises, and more for you to do on your own pace. The links will be in the description. Now we're going to start off with the second topic from unit number 4, reporting clauses in the passive. To report a general claim or opinion, you can use it plus the passive form of a reporting verb like announce, confirm, denied, estimate, maintain, observed, reveal, rumored, suggest, and understand. Notice that the agent is often omitted and understood to be some people or many people. For example, number 1. It was explained that the device emits a sound that irritates young people. Number 2. It is said that the video ran for over 9 months. Number 3. It has been rumored that a monster was living in the forest. Keep in mind that you can exchange those reporting verbs as you need, creating phrases like it is estimated, it has been denied, it was confirmed, or it has been revealed. The reporting verb you use is going to be based on the message you want to convey. Now we're gonna break down every passive tense possible in reporting classes. We're going to focus first in present simple passive, which is formed with subject plus verb be plus past participle. For example, number 1, it is suggested that passengers report anything suspicious to the driver. Number 2, it is understood that some people have a higher level of intuition than others. Now, past simple passive, which is structured with subject plus was or were plus past participle. For example, number 1, it was flatly denied that nuclear submarines have been lost in the Arctic Ocean. Number 2, it was announced that the lost city of Atlantis had been discovered in April Fool's Day in 1980. Now time for present perfect passive, which is formed with subject plus has or have plus being plus past participle. For example, number 1, it has been estimated that the construction of the Stone Age took over 20 million hours. Number 2, it has been revealed that a fast food restaurant discontinued a favorite hamburger as a publicity stunt. Now, past perfect passive, which is created with subject plus have plus being plus past participle. For example, number 1, it had been rumored that a monster was living in the lake. Number 2, it has been estimated that 1 out of 10 people falls for internet scams every year. Time to focus on modal verbs in the passive, which are formed with it plus modal plus be plus past participle. For example, number 1, it couldn't be denied that many mysterious elude scientific understanding. Number 2, it can't be denied that ancient civilization possess knowledge lost to us today. Now our last tense, past modals in the passive, which are formed with it plus modal plus have plus being plus past participle. For example, number 1, it should have been confirmed that the flight would be delayed. Number 2, it should have been revealed that the politician was deceiving the nation. Please make sure you practice, and if you have any doubt, let me know down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. See you on the next topic.